Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my Saturday morning mix with Jill Norwood. Hi Jill. This is episode number 27 for me, and I hope everyone is having a blessed weekend. We will be going to my parents today for a party for my dad. He's celebrating his birthday. He does a party every year except last year, so that should be fun. So let me share what I used for my first project. I used some bells, and I used these red ones up here. And then I used some acetate that I had got from Tuesday Morning, like 2019. And then I used some sprinklets called Santa's Treats. They are so cute. They have little gingies in there and candy canes and little peppermints. Then I used this MFT die called Tag Builder Blueprints number 6, I believe. And then lastly, for my first project, I used the Simon Says stamp die right here with this reindeer. Okay, and then I used some of this baker's twine with the the red metallic in it right there. It's so pretty. And I got that from Hobby Lobby. And then I used some pom-poms that I had just picked up from the 99-cent store, and I used the red ones. Okay, and this is what I made. And it's shaker. Isn't it cute? Oh guys, I also used some Nuvo drops for the eyes. I used the black. Forgot about that. But they are fun. So I made that one. And I made this one right here. And if you wanted to, you could do a sentiment on the back or a to and a from. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do on the back yet. And this one I made red. I think I like the red one better, but I think they're both cute. So that was my first project. Then for my second project, I used this stamp set called Gnome for the Holidays. I used this tree die I got from Allie. And then I used this little gnome from Simon Says Stamp. And I made this card right here. And then on the inside, it says, Gnome Better Holiday, Merry Christmas. And I think it turned out super cute. I paper pieced him. And then I did the trees in the background. I'm not sure what the paper pad was. It was just some single sheets I had, and I just matched them together. So that's my second project. And then my last project, I used one of the Spectrum Noir Art Liner pens. I used my Infinity Die rectangles. I used my Pink and Main stitched rectangle dies. I used some Inkadinkado stamping mask paper. And I got this idea completely from Jamie from Not Too Shabby. I love copying her cards. And then I used the Arctic Winter paper pad that was in her kit this month. She has such a cute kit. And I also used the stamp set in her kit that's called Hello Winter with these 2 cute bears. I used 3 of the bears, and I used one of the sentiments. So cute. And this is what I came up with. You Warm My Heart. I Copic colored them. And then I gave them some snowflakes. I might do some, go back in and give them some sparkle. And then I left the inside blank. But I think it came out super cute. So I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.